Welcome to Beavers Sports Shop. Today I'm going to tell you how we can make your ski and snowboard experience better and at the same time save you money. Follow me while we get things started. We have a huge variety of equipment to rent, something for the first timer or the most experienced ski or snowboarder. We give you one-on-one service. We even measure your feet, put the boots on you to make sure that everything works properly when you're out on the mountain enjoying your day. Don't forget, at Beavers Sports Shop, we are the only shop that allows you to pay for the days you actually use the equipment. Be sure to ask about our Kids Rent-Free program. Thanks for stopping by. Come visit Beavers Sports Shop, located at the Best Western Hotel in downtown Winter Park. Visit us at winterparkskirental.com or give us a call, 970-887-2554.